There's something big happening inside Samsung's labs right now, something that could make the Galaxy S26 feel like it's running on rocket fuel. Everyone's talking about cameras and displays, but the real magic this time isn't what you see on the outside. It's what's happening underneath the glass. And trust me, this upgrade could completely change how fast and responsive a phone can feel. Hey everyone, James here. Welcome back to the channel. If you enjoy staying ahead of the tech curve, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming deep dives. So, the Galaxy S26 lineup is turning heads for a reason. Samsung isn't just tuning performance, it's rebuilding the entire experience from the inside out. At the center of it all is Qualcomm's newest beast, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. This chip isn't just an upgrade, it's a monster. It's faster, cooler, and way more efficient than the one inside the S25. But the real twist is the tech it unlocks, the new UFS 4.1 storage system. Think of it like swapping your car's engine for a jet turbine. Apps open in a blink, multitasking becomes effortless, and AI features process almost instantly. It's that kind of leap. UFS 4.1 doesn't just make phones quicker, it makes them smarter. When your phone can pull data faster, every tap, swipe, and command feels smoother. That's the difference you'll feel the second you start using it. Now, Samsung isn't the first to flirt with UFS 4.1, but it's the one actually ready to bring it mainstream. And considering how Samsung pushed UFS 4.0 ahead of everyone last year, it's almost certain they'll do the same again. What's even cooler is who they're teaming up with. Micron, one of the biggest memory manufacturers, is expected to provide Samsung's UFS 4.1 modules. These new memory chips are physically smaller but way more powerful. That means Samsung can free up space inside the phone for other things, and that's where the fun begins. More room could mean better cooling systems, improved audio chambers, or even slightly larger camera sensors. And speaking of cameras, the Galaxy S26 Ultra's setup is shaping up to be insane. We're talking a 200MP main lens, 50MP ultra wide, 50MP 5x periscope, and a 20MP 3x telephoto. In short, every photo mode feels like a pro camera. The entire camera island design is cleaner too, vertically stacked, minimalist, and super premium. But there's more. Remember how last year's models were fast but not exactly battery friendly? That's changing. With this new combo, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, UFS 4.1 storage, and LPDDR5X RAM, Samsung can keep the same 5000 mAh battery yet deliver longer endurance. That's because efficiency is the new performance. Instead of just chasing raw power, Samsung is chasing smarter power. Here's where things get even more interesting. UFS 4.1's insane read and write speeds don't just help with gaming or app launches, they'll massively boost AI performance. When you're using features like instant photo editing, real-time translation, or Samsung's AI-powered Note Assist, all that background data crunching happens almost instantly. The lag that used to be there, gone. The Galaxy S26 is going to feel more alive, reacting to your inputs, predicting actions, and learning your habits faster than ever before. And let's not ignore the competition. While Google's Pixel 10 series still uses UFS 4.0 and Apple relies on its proprietary NVMe setup, Samsung seems ready to leap ahead with 4.1. If that happens, it won't just be another flagship. It'll be the fastest Android experience on the planet. The Ultra version is where Samsung's confidence really shows. The 6.9-inch AMOLED QHD Plus display, the slimmer AMM profile, the top-tier performance, it's all designed to scream refinement. Even One UI 8.5, which is rumored to debut with the S26, brings fresh tricks. One of the coolest, a feature called Private Display. It dims or hides your screen's content from people sitting beside you. Perfect for those who hate prying eyes on flights or cafes. And the best part, that might not even be the headline feature when the phone finally launches. Samsung is reportedly testing something tied to Flex Magic Pixel, a privacy and display control tech that adapts dynamically, like a built-in invisible screen filter powered by AI. If that's true, it's another level of smart. So, when you combine all of this, the new processor, the ultra-fast UFS 4.1 storage, the refined cameras, the AI-powered features, and the sleek design, the Galaxy S26 doesn't just sound like a typical yearly refresh. It feels like Samsung is preparing to make a statement. The message: we're still the king of Android, and this time we're not holding back. If the leaks stay on track, the Galaxy S26 series could easily become Samsung's most balanced flagship lineup ever. Beautiful on the outside, brilliant on the inside, and brutally fast in real-world use. The only question left is, Are you ready for a phone that might actually feel faster than your laptop?